was amazing.
Yay.
I sat next to you and watched it last night. The fans went crazy. I think they basically stormed you guys.
Yeah,
after.
they did.
Rollo,
Yeah,
freaking out.
It was crazy. You know, we had
That's
our little
awesome.
section that we were staying in, and I think they didn't see us coming in, or they had no idea who we were. And so we come in, and then they watch the movie. These 200 7th grade, 6th grade middle school girls, and then afterwards I think they recognized my hair.
Get used
And
to
then
it.
they
It's about to
saw
start happening
Yin
a
and
lot.
Danielle, and yeah, they freaked
They
out.
protect that hair,
They
man.
freaked
Yeah.
out.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Yeah.
No, your guys' characters added so much to the film. Comic relief. Poor Lloyd. What's the deal?
I don't
Please
know.
Please tell me Lloyd was gonna catch a break after the movie wrapped.
I mean, he doesn't catch many in it, does he?
None.
I mean, but you know what? Every time he's asking a girl out, you think he's going to. That's I guess why it's such a sort of sick thing that he just is sort of, he's doing it to himself. He's setting himself up to get rejected, but he's fun to root for. I have fun playing him. I'm rooting for him as I'm playing him.
And I think you called actually, or your character, not you, called Prom some sort of mistress or something? of the sort?
soul-crushing mistress.
How do you feel about prom in real life?
It didn't crush my soul. I went to 3 of them.
What?
Yeah, I had a great
Wow.
time at all 3
Little
proms.
playa.
Yeah, it was a bit of a
Playa,
prom
playa.
player, prom pimpin'. It was so much fun. I went with 3 very different dates. One was sort of platonic, one was a romantic, and one was a very good best friend of mine.
That sounds nice.
It was awesome.
Now, curious to know, if you guys could ask anyone to prom today, celebrity or not, whoever you want, alive or dead for that matter, who would it be and why?
Oh, alive or dead?
Alive or dead.
I mean, you could
just,
go
you
in-
just added a
Are
new
you
flavor to that
taking the
question.
corpse?
I did it.
Who taking
Yeah.
dancing with a
Taking a
corpse?
corpse.
Oh,
Dancing with a corpse.
throw it over your shoulder.
Take Princess Diana.
Well, if we're gonna go, yeah, I'm gonna go dead now because you brought it
Terrible.
up. I'm gonna take Natalie Wood.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Dude, come on.
Oh man, that's really good.
Yeah, I don't mess around.
Yeah, right?
So are you gonna go for someone alive?
I'm going for someone dead. I
Oh.
would be more than happy to carry a corpse around in my prom.
This is taking a very
This is weird.
melancholy
A
tone.
dark turn, yeah.
I would take.
It's like Haunted Prom.
It's a sequel.
Dun, dun, dun.
I would take Jimi Hendrix. How cool would
that's
that
cool.
be? Imagine the pictures with the massive fro.
Would he
like,
also perform at the prom?
He would have to.
Yeah, I guess so.
And
I
then
would
he
like all
vo-
these people
choke
to
on
be
his
at
own
the
vomit.
same prom. Natalie Wood, Princess Diana, and Jimi Hendrix.
Would
What
they
would that look
vibe?
like?
Would
I
they
think
vibe?
they're up there
Totally
hanging out
vibe.
in heaven though. Anyway,
They're
They're
so
looking
we
down.
would
They're
all,
like, we
we would
love
all
to
get along.
go.
Speaking of music, if you guys could pick a band to play live at your prom, who would it be?
Local natives for me. I'm really into them right now.
Why
Do you
is
know them?
that? No, I don't.
Oh,
Do
they're
tell.
awesome. Really cool, independent, alternative group from LA. Super like mellow rock and amazing harmonies. I'm a sucker for harmonies. Yeah.
I would say Mumford and Sons. I think
Nice.
they're incredible. Their harmonies as well are pretty awesome. I am currently obsessed with them. But I think for more like an upbeat kind of fun thing, I would just probably say MGMT, just for dancing music, you know?
Sublime, hands down.
You were gonna kiss me.
If I'm about to kiss you, you'll know it.